I tested every free AI API platform I could find, and 7 of them actually work. Today, I'm showing you how to access GPT-4, Claude, and DeepSeek without paying a cent. Let's dive in. Let's start with OpenRouter. This platform is basically a universal gateway. One API key gives you access to over 300 different AI models from multiple providers. You're looking at OpenRouter.ai right now. Notice they're processing 30 trillion tokens monthly across 5 million users. That's the scale we're talking about. Click the Get API Key button. You'll need to sign in first, which takes about 10 seconds with Google. Once you're in, you'll create your API key. Name it something descriptive like dev projects or whatever makes sense for you. Credit limit and expiration are optional. For free models, just leave credit limit empty. I typically set no expiration for convenience. Copy your key immediately and store it securely. You won't be able to see it again. Now here's the best part. Click on Models in the top navigation. Look at the top right. There's a drop-down that says Pricing Low to High. Make sure that's selected. Scroll down and check this out. See where it says $0 in both the input and output columns. Those are completely free models. DeepSeek R10528 is free. Sourceful Riverflow is free. StepFun, RCAI, Upstage. All showing $0 for input and output. Let's click on one. I'll choose DeepSeek R10528 since it has a massive 163,840 token context window, and it's been crushing benchmarks in reasoning tasks. Now scroll down to the Quick Start section. See all these code examples? There's the OpenRouter SDK, Python, TypeScript, curl, whatever you need. Right here where it says OpenRouter API key, that's where you paste your key. And notice the model name, DeepSeek/DeepSeek-R1-0528:free. That colon free at the end is important. That's OpenRouter. One key, hundreds of free models. All the code you need ready to copy. Next up is Groq. Their tagline says it all. Build fast. This platform is known for delivering incredibly fast inference speeds. Head to console.groq.com. You'll see they have 2 million developers already using Groq Cloud. Sign in with Google, GitHub, or SSO, whatever you prefer. After signing in, you land on the home dashboard. You can see Playground, Docs, and Manage Team options here. To create your API key, click API Keys in the top navigation. Click Create API Key. Give it a display name. Something like Development Key or Testing. Maximum 50 characters. For expiration, you can choose No Expiration or set a specific time frame. I usually set no expiration for personal projects, but if you want better security practices, choose an expiration date. Click Create and your key is generated. Copy it immediately. You won't be able to see it again. Now let's look at what models you get. If you check the Docs section, you'll see the full model list with pricing. Look at this. Llama 3.180 billion. Llama 3.370 billion. GPTOSS 120 billion. GPTOSS 20 billion. And Whisper for audio transcription. What's important is the rate limits. For the production models, you get 250,000 tokens per minute for text models and 1,000 requests per minute. For Whisper audio, you get 200,000 to 400,000 audio seconds per hour. That's way more generous than most platforms. Back in the playground, you can test any of these models. Click the model selector drop down to see all available options. On the right side, click the code view to see implementation examples in Python, JavaScript, JSON, and curl. Just insert your API key where indicated. To track your usage, click Dashboard in the navigation. You'll see metrics, logs, and activity here once you start making requests. Groq speed is legendary. We're talking 500 to 1000 tokens per second. If you're building anything that needs instant responses, Groq is unmatched. Third platform, NVIDIA Build. Beyond manufacturing GPUs, NVIDIA is offering developers direct access to cutting-edge language models through their API. Navigate to build.nvidia.com and authenticate with an NVIDIA developer account. Creating one is straightforward if you don't have one yet. Take a look at what's available. Nematron, DeepSeek v3, Qwen 2.5, Llama 3.3. These represent some of the most advanced models currently available. There are two paths to getting your key. The straightforward method, hit Get API Key at the page header. Select Generate Key. Your universal key appears here. This works across all models on the platform. Alternatively, if you want model-specific access or need to see implementation code, select any model directly. Let's use DeepSeek v3 as an example. This particular model has been showing impressive performance across various benchmarks and it's open source. Find the View Code button and click it. Here you can generate additional keys if needed, and you get ready-to-use code snippets. Python, LangChain, Node.js. Choose your preferred language. Just drop your API key into the code and you're operational. Now about the free tier, you get initial credits when you sign up as an NVIDIA developer, and the rate limit is up to 40 requests per minute. That's generous enough for testing and small projects. When you run low on credits, you can request more through the developer program. To manage your keys over time, use the Manage API Keys feature, where you can revoke old keys or generate new ones as needed. The model quality on NVIDIA's platform is exceptional. These are production-grade models running on their infrastructure. Moving to Google AI Studio. The headline feature, a massive 1 million token context window. That's 8 times what you get with standard ChatGPT. Head to aistudio.google.com and sign in using your existing Google account. From the dashboard, locate the Get API Key option in the sidebar menu. You'll need to connect this to a Google Cloud project. If you already have one set up, select it from the drop-down. Otherwise, you'll need to create one first. I'll create a fresh project for this demonstration. Enter a project name, something like AI Development Works. Hit Create and wait for the project initialization. Once your project is active, click Create API Key. There's your key. Copy it immediately. Now let's explore what you're getting access to. Open the model section from the sidebar. Gemini 2.0 Flash is their speed-optimized model, free to use. Gemini 1.5 Pro offers more advanced capabilities, also free within your daily limits. But here's what sets Google apart, that 1 million token context window. You can process entire code bases, complete books, massive datasets in a single request. They've also included Imagen for image generation and Veo for video creation. These are part of your free access. Your daily allowance is 1 million tokens. For most developers, that's more than sufficient. To see implementation code, click any model and look for Get Code. You'll find examples in Python, REST, and other formats. Google AI Studio is ideal when you're working with large documents or need multimodal capabilities. Platform 5, GitHub Models. This is relatively new, so many developers haven't discovered it yet. Visit github.com/marketplace/models. You'll need an active GitHub account to proceed. The catalog is impressive. GPT-4o, GPT-4o Mini, Llama 3.1, Mistral, DeepSeek 5.3. All the major players are represented. Let's grab access to GPT-4o for this example. Click the Use this model button. You'll need to generate a personal access token. Click Create Personal Access Token. GitHub may ask you to verify your email address if you haven't done so recently. Now click Generate Token. Provide a descriptive name. AI model access is clear. The description field is optional. For repository access, you can either grant access to all repositories or limit it to specific ones. For general API usage, I typically select all repositories. scroll down and finalize by clicking Generate Token. Your token appears. This functions as your API key. Copy and store it securely. To implement it, return to the model page where you'll find code examples for Python, JavaScript, and curl. Simply substitute your token where indicated in the code. The advantage with GitHub Models? If you're already using GitHub for version control, this integrates seamlessly with your repositories, GitHub Actions, and code spaces. Number 6, Cloudflare Workers AI. This platform excels when you're building serverless AI applications. Navigate to ai.cloudflare.com and authenticate with your Cloudflare account. New users can register quickly. Once authenticated, click View Models to explore the available options. The range is comprehensive. Llama variants, Mistral models, text-to-speech, embeddings, image classification, object detection. It's essentially a complete AI toolkit. I'll select a Llama model for this demonstration. Scroll down to find the implementation code. It's formatted for Cloudflare Workers in JavaScript. To use this, you need your Cloudflare API token. Click on your profile in the top right corner, then navigate to My Profile. In the left sidebar, you'll see API tokens. Click on that. You're now on the User API Tokens page. You'll see a blue Create Token button on the right side. Click Create Token. Cloudflare will show you different token templates. Look for Workers AI or create a custom token. You need to select the permissions. Account.workersai with read permission. Configure your token settings and click Continue to Summary, then Create Token. Copy your new token immediately. Now look at the interface. You can see existing tokens listed here. There's a Workers AI token showing it's active with permissions account.workersai and applying to all accounts. If you click the 3 dots menu on any token, you get options: View Summary, Edit, Roll, and Delete. The delete option is how you revoke tokens when you no longer need them. Return to your code and insert the token where it says your API token. The free tier provides 10,000 requests daily. Plenty for development and smaller production workloads. What distinguishes Cloudflare is edge computing. Your AI runs on servers close to your users worldwide, resulting in significantly lower latency. Perfect for applications requiring fast global response times. Final platform, Hugging Face. This one is remarkable because you're getting access to over 220,000 models through a single API key. Navigate to huggingface.co and register for an account. Once registered, click your profile picture and select Settings from the drop-down. Find Access Tokens in the Settings menu. Click New Token to begin creation. Assign a name. Inference API is descriptive. Select Read Permissions for the token. Click Generate Token. Your token appears. Copy it immediately. Now explore what's available. Click Models in the main navigation bar. The variety is staggering. Text generation, image creation, audio processing, video generation, 3D modeling, multimodal systems, everything. Let's pick OpenAI/GPT-OSS-120B as an example. On the model page, look for the Deploy section, then Inference API. You'll see implementation code for Python, JavaScript, and curl right there. Insert your token where indicated, usually your API token or similar. This process works identically across all 220,000 plus models on the platform. Whether you need text models, image generators, audio processors, the same token works for everything. Rate limits differ by model, but most offer generous free tiers for experimentation. For maximum variety and experimentation with different model types, Hugging Face can't be matched. That's all 7 platforms. Start with OpenRouter for simplicity, Groq for speed, or Hugging Face for variety. All links are in the description. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.